Hey guys, it's Friday and it's not a very good day for flying. It's actually starting to look a little slushy out there. We got a pretty big storm coming in. I think it's going to be snowing here in a little bit. But we're going to work on a problem. We're going to try and fix a problem that I have with my hangar that a lot of hangars have. And that is when you look out the front of your hangar, you don't see the airport. So I'm going to put a window right there. So you're probably asking yourself, well, if you cut a hole in your back of your hangar, aren't you just going to be looking at the back of somebody else's airplane? And that is true. But we're not going to put a traditional window in. We are going to do a digital window. I bought this camera, this security camera off Amazon for 17 bucks. And it's got, 12 volt power and it's got video out. It's designed to work with a, like a whole CCTV system, but I'm hoping that I can just plug it directly into my flat screen here that a friend of mine gave me, and see if we can get some picture out of it. Let's see if this works. All right, you never want to throw away your old transformers. You never know when you might need one to power your camera. All right, let's plug this thing in and see if it works. Oh, look at that. Get out of the way. Oh yeah. We're in business now. Not a bad picture. The TV's only a 720 TV, so I wasn't expecting much. All right, now we gotta get this thing outside. All right, I just took delivery of some video power cables. 100-foot cable with the power and BNC all in one. So now I just have to figure out how to run it. Probably up over the top. And then all the way down to that corner so I can put my camera. I'm gonna try and figure out a way to mount my camera up on the eave there, so it'll point towards the flight line. All right, everything's hooked up. We got the camera mounted up. Let's see if you can see it up there underneath the eave. I can't point to it. And it's all hooked up. All right, we got a guy taxiing out in his Cardinal. Let's go inside and see if the window works. Still gotta work on my wiring a little bit, but all right, TV's on, camera's filming. Oh, the birds are going by. Let's see what we see here. So I can hear him taxiing by out there. Oh, there he goes. Oh, look at that. I can almost read the end number. This is gonna be perfect. I think it's angled just about right, because I can still see kind of the run-up area. You can see him turning around. Oh, he disappears for a second. So I might have to re-angle it a little bit, but that's about the view you want. So you should be able to see guys landing. And if I hear a plane taxiing by, I can glance over and see who's going flying. All right, our Cardinal Flyer's taking off. All right, let's see. I think we got a Mooney coming in here. Oh, it looks a little high. Oh, Mooney's going around. Oh, look at that. This is great. All right, well, I think I've made the decision to mount the TV up here on this wall. Got some chains from the hardware store, and my brother Johnny's coming over. We're gonna see if we can get it up there. I think up there it'll really provide the best viewing from inside the hangar. All right, I got my chains hung. So now we gotta try and get the TV up there. This thing's a 94-pound plasma 50-inch, so it's gonna be an adventure. All right, we got the TV mounted up on the wall. And Ryan is going to do the honors and plug it in. I still need to figure out my wiring. All right, the TV's kicking on. Let's see if it's going to fire up and work. Oh, there it is. Look at that. That's a beautiful thing. Cheers. Oh, there's Johnny out there. This is great. Oh, there goes somebody in a Cirrus taxiing in. Oh, they're coming my way. Oh, look at that. There goes my brother and the fancy Mooney. The situational awareness that this digital window brings to my hangar is really unprecedented. All right, that's it for this episode. Hope you've enjoyed seeing my latest hangar hack. I also hope you enjoyed my intro to my channel. I'm changing the name to the Trusty Aeronaut. And should be fun. So, all right, I'm gonna go flying. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and please subscribe to my channel right here. So long.